Are you looking for a duckbill spoiler for your 15 plus WRX or STI? These are the Rexpeed Duckbill Spoilers that either come factory painted or in this beautiful carbon fiber. What's up guys, Rick with Raleigh Sport Direct here bringing you another episode of What's in the Box. Today we've got the Rexpeed rear duckbill spoilers. Now these are going to be specific for the 15 plus WRX and STI. Now, I've got a few different models here in front of me. Well, I guess models. So we've got the color match. Of course, you've got your World Rally Blue, your red, and then of course this beautiful carbon fiber. Now these are going to be a direct fit on your trunk. Now if you've got the WRX, you've got the little spoiler on there, you're going to have to remove that to install this, and all of these will come with some 3M double-sided tape for installation. Now installation on these is actually fairly easy. You remove your factory spoiler and you put this one on. The hardest part is probably removing the factory spoiler, but these are a direct fit, and you can see the cutout for the emblem just like the factory spoiler has, and just beautiful pieces all around. This particular carbon fiber one has a gorgeous weave throughout the entire piece, and then of course you also have your factory painted options as well, which is huge because then you don't have to send out your spoiler. You know, you get a raw spoiler and you have to send it out to get painted, which can be very expensive. Color matching can be difficult, and so these come ready, already painted, ready to bolt on. They have a beautiful clear coat on them. You don't have to worry about it. It just makes for a nice, easy, and quick installation. Plus they're very high quality. The paint match is almost perfect. It's very, very difficult to tell the difference between, you know, basically these aren't a factory option, and just the quality is top notch, which is exactly what you want when you bolt something onto your car. You want to make sure it's high quality, that it's going to last, and that's exactly what these Rexpeed products are. And they're just gorgeous all around. I really like, you know, these blues and reds here, and then of course this carbon fiber piece, which we'll actually be putting on our WRX, so stay tuned for a video on that later, and I'll go over exactly how to install these and also what it's going to look like on our 15 WRX. I'm super pumped for that. But if you are interested in a rear duckbill spoiler, you don't want to send it out to get painted, or maybe you just want a sweet carbon fiber version, these are definitely the product for you. Check it out. That's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for checking out What's in the Box. We'll see you guys next time.